The 2009 fortwo. The Smart fortwo is a rear-engine two-seater manufactured by Smart GmbH. This smart car leads a new trend for smaller, more efficient combustion vehicles for busy city traffic and daily commutes, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, remote power door locks, passenger airbag, rear wiper, privacy glass. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.